time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something rather unique from Malaysia. This is from a small company called Meet Me. Me is what you call noodles over in Malaysia, and this is their chili pan mee, and this is something else, folks. I had the previous version. This is a new and improved version, and yeah, let's get to it. First thing we got is a noodle block. We've got chili. This looks like a chili oil. It's another liquid sachet, and this is fried anchovy. So this should be pretty rad. We're gonna drop the noodles in. There's no sachet in here. No, good. All right. Noodles in. Goes for 6 to 8 minutes. I'm doing 7, and as requested by the audience, you get to watch. Just watch it go. So here we go. And it is September 19th, 2023. What's going on in the news? I think it was South Carolina. There was a, what do you call it? A fighter jet. Something crazy happened. The guy ejected, military guy. I'm assuming, I'm pretty sure. And, then they lost this freaking plane. It just kept going. They're like, oh, something happened this way or that way. I don't know, this or that. My initial thought, the thing got hacked, man. I don't know. It just, they don't want to say much about it, you know. It could just be there's like a faulty part. They've grounded all of their stuff, which seems really weird. But yeah, if you think about it, if their stuff got hacked, I mean, if you're a foreign power and you're interested in like causing some chaos, especially with the military, yeah, hack the planes, make them go where you want them to. Perfect. You know, that's probably not the case, I'm guessing, but you never know. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, so don't always, you hear that Ramen Raider guy said our airplane got hacked. No, I did not say that. I said it'd be kind of weird. Well, I don't know. Just ignore what I say. What else is going on? Everything's expensive, and government shutdown funky, and yeah, everybody crazy. Everybody's so cray these days. Yeah. What else? We're outfitting our apartment with more Giant stuff than ever. San Francisco Giants, not New York, obviously. Screw that. Not football fans here. And neither football nor baseball New York fans at all. But yeah, when my wife and I first got together, I was a Mariners fan, and then we talked about it and stuff, and I'm like, okay, well, new lady, new sports team, and then we won the World Series in 2010, 2012, and 2014. It's 2023, and the Mariners still haven't really come anywhere near winning a World Series. That's just not true, Ramen Raider. Shut up. Yeah. I don't know. We watched a lot of games this season. It's almost over. We're not going. I really don't think we got a chance at postseason, unfortunately, but you never know. I mean, we could end up hitting a wild card spot and then like taking the whole thing. I really doubt it, but you gotta hope. And yeah, In other news, we're all sick, especially me and Kit. We've got some kind of. We both have a sore throat, watery eyes. I fell asleep on the couch last night, and then tried to go to bed around 3 a.m. And all of a sudden it was just I'm laying down and my nose, I just feel like there's a waterfall about to come out. I was like, I can't do this. So I went back out on the couch, fell asleep for a couple hours, woke up, played some video games. The kids woke up. Finally she got up. I hit the shower, and then we got the kids off to school. Now she's getting ready and got to go to the USPS location in Bothell, Washington, because our mailman likes to leave these little, "You've received a package, but there was nobody here to get it." It's like, dude, we were here. You just didn't come to the door. And, yeah, so that's that. So I got to go in there with that little thing in my ID and make them find it. Hopefully the stupid mailman didn't bring it with them again to just add another thing, because they won't leave it. They won't leave my package. So if they took it out again, that's BS. I'll be ticked. "Oh, very sorry, there's nothing we can do." Oh. Everything used to work better. I don't know. Not in this place, and not in the last place we lived, but in the place we lived way before that. The post office guy and the FedEx guy. We lived on the first floor. They would come to our balcony and chit chat for a minute or two and hand off packages and stuff. And I'd hook them both up with instant noodles. It was fun. That's how you gotta get in good with your delivery people. Hook them up. They're your best friend. If you wanna avoid BS, be nice to your delivery people. It's really a good plan. That's the way I see it. So yeah, this stuff comes from Meet Me, and the guy, I guess, who's my contact with Meet Me, he owns the company, runs the company. I don't know exactly what it is, but I know that he's an anchor for, I believe it's Astro, which is the TV station in the main, or a big TV company in Malaysia. So that's pretty cool. So I know people in entertainment industry in Malaysia. It's kind of cool, right? I like Malaysia. You gotta visit. It's a wonderful place full of wonderful people and amazing foods. Alright, so I'm going to take this noodle and drain it. Real, quick. So it's a wide noodle, as you can see. And we're gonna add the liquid sachets. My buddy Matthew likes to call them sachets. I think he does that because he knows I'm like, dude, that's not how you say it. Which is fine. I'm okay to be given a little ration of silliness like that. Alright. I was going to see if my wife would like to be part of the show today, but she's getting all ready, and I know this isn't something she would like, aka chili oil. That's not really her thing. She's not into the spicy. Look at that. I'm going to try it like this. I am ready to give it a sample. Well, it's time for fall. They're calling it meteorological fall currently. autumn. Getting time for mooncake, I believe. Mid-Autumn Festival coming up. So let's try. Cheers. Mmm. Wow. So I'm going to garnish it now, and I'll try it again once the show is done with the other things. Wow, that's got a nice little kick to it. Beautiful. We shall see how it goes. There we go. All right. Look at that saucy stuff. Wow. We'll go like that. I got an egg. They have instructions to make a special kind of egg. They're calling it a half-boiled egg. I was going to do it, but I decided to go this route. Don't have a ton of time this morning. And this one took longer to cook, so. But, yeah. Here's our... Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Don't screw around. Just let go. Let go of that egg. There you go. There you go. Not half boiled, but definitely soft and runny and magical and fun. And here is our... This is what the fried anchovy looks like. I'm just going to try it. Mmm. Those are good. It's an interesting switch from like fried onions. And then we've got our peppery peppers. They're going to go right here and live here. In a nice mountainous region of the plate. And we're going to use some scallion because I can't live without my scallions. I do so enjoy seeds of the sesame plant, tree, whatever, wherever they came from. I like them around. My nose! Sorry about that, folks. It's that kind of sick where all of a sudden you just get this tickle in your nose and you know what's coming. The drip is on its way. Look at that. Exotic, tantalizing, and wonderful Rotato. Show them what you got. All right, well, thank you for watching. Yeah, if you're in Malaysia, or I don't know where they distribute the meat knee stuff, but if you can find it, get it and give it a try. It is quite good. The next one comes from the United States, but it's a Filipino variety. This is a rice porridge with chicken flavor. It's gluten-free from what my wife could see. It's from a company called Pamana, and Pamana is in the United States. It just makes Filipino stuff, so cool. And that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.